Is me, Divines Graphics, and today I'm going to be teaching us how to make simple flyers with pixelab. Simple flyers with pixelab, and if you make flyers with pixelab and being sold, you can gain in a lot of money with that. That's why you see many people post you can make a lot of money with graphics design. Yes, one day I'll set out a time, make a video about how we can make money with pixelab with graphic design, but today I shall be teaching us how to make a simple flyer with pixelab. Now, first thing we do is to get the background of the flyer we want to make. So how do we do that? We go to colors. Okay, let me be elaborate. This is color. We tap on the color we want. This color is what I need. This color is okay. The next thing is to get a beautiful decoration. I'm teaching us how to make a beautiful flyer, simple and a beautiful flyer with pixelab, a beautiful design decoration. Now we tap on stickers. You see the stickers? This sticker. Do you see this? Let me be pointing it. You see this? This was as a result of we pressed this. Then when we press that, it gave us this. Now how do we make this stay? Because once we mark this good here, it disappears. How do we make that sticker stay? Simply we go and tap on the return button of our phone. The return button of our phone. Once we tap it, it stays. So now we can carry it and move it. This is a design we can be using. We are going to use to create this simple flyer. Now I want to copy it because I'm going to join them. You see, there are now two. This is one, this is two. So now I want a particular color of it, that is light purple. So what do? I go to color, enable it, and look for light purple. This is light purple, and here we go with the design. Then we tap on that one, still tap on color, enable, and we tap on light purple, and there we go. We have gotten the light purple. You see the two purples are now. So what next to do? We join them. We merge both of them together. Now somebody will be asking, how do we merge it together? We merge things in pixelab through this method. We tap on this, on that, then we tap on it, and we tap on this. See this plus good times equals to. We tap on it, and then we mark the the shapes we want to merge together. We mark this and mark that. When we mark them, we now tap on this that looks like two arrows coming together. When we tap on that, it writes, are you sure you want to merge the selected object? You write OK. Then the objects are merged automatically. See, they are merged, they are no longer separated. So now what do we do next? We design our background. We design it, we copy it, we copy it. Have we seen it? We copy it, we copy it. Hope we know where to copy from. See where we're copying from. See where we press. When you press this, you copy. You copy. You copy. See, I'm placing the things, the design. We copy again. Then we'll now copy the last one, which we shall enlarge and place at the middle. Now, are we seeing? Now, so what's the next thing we're going to do? We are going to lock it. Remember how I taught us how to lock? Locking is we press this, we lock each and every one of them. Press, lock, we lock. So that the reason why we are locking is so that our design will not move and destruct what we are doing. We don't want that to happen. So now we have locked it. Nothing is moving. Do you see? Nothing is moving. So what's the next thing we are going to do is to import the image which we are going to use. Now importing in pixelab, you press this. You see? You press that. You press it, takes you to your gallery. Here's my gallery. So let me go and search for the image we're going to use. So here we are. I brought the image. This is the image, so mark good. So now I'm going to position the image so that we can continue the design. So this is the image. You're going to see the kind of design this flyer is going to turn to be. So we're going to lock it. We lock it, and that's done. So what's next to do with pride friendship? Okay, please, I'm too fast. Let me go back. Now, what do we do if we want to write friendship? Look at, we tap on the letter A. When we tap on that, we tap on text. When we tap on text, we tap on, we tap on edit. When we tap on edit, it leads us here. Then we type what we want to type. I'm typing friendship. Don't mind me. Friendship. Then capitalize it. Capitalizing it, we're going to press this. If we press that, it will capitalize. If you press it, it will turn to small letter. So you press it, I want to capitalize. Then after this, we go to our font. Now our font is this place. Sorry about that. See our font here. Our font is this. Then we tap on it. Then we'll go to look for the one appropriate for the design. Which one do I want? And during later in our other videos, I shall be teaching us how to download fonts, different kinds of fonts, because pixelab doesn't come with all fonts. If you like a particular font, you can go and download it yourself. So I'm going to look for the font I want to use. Let me check whether this one can be good. This one good, friendship. This one good. Chunk 5, is it good? Okay, I like using chunk 5. Using best note to me. Now, if you check this now, the weddings look so packed look so packed up. So what do I do to make it loose? What do I do? What I do now is go to line spacing. This is where the line spacing is. We tap on line spacing, and okay, let's leave line spacing. Let's tap on the ordinary spacing. Then we tap it. Then the words, the letters, something is happening. It's separating. It's separating. Yes, that's what we want to achieve. So now after that, we go to shadow. These are steps in design. Design isn't hard. It's only when you dedicate your mind to it. So just keep on liking and keep on viewing and keep on subscribing. I love you guys. So what we're going to do now is to tap on this shadow. You see the shadow? When we tap on it, we will now press enable. Then opacity is correct. Then reduce glow. Oh, let's enable this. Enable this. Do you see this? Do you see what happened? The friendship became thicker. So now look at what this does. Offset Y is in 0. It makes the shadow deep. So let's push it back to 0. I don't want it to spoil my design. So it's back to 0. So now we are going to, you see what's going on. We're using offset Y, but we're going to use this offset Y. We're going to use offset Y minus. We're not using plus, we're using minus. This is how you do it now. The thing and when so will have issues. Sorry for speaking that. So that's good. Let's go to color. Something is wrong. Yes, something is wrong. This thing is not clear. So what we're going to do is that we're going to delete it and rewrite it and use another font, because I don't believe this is the best font for that. So we're back. We have changed the font. You can still use that chunk file, but don't enable the shadow. Don't enable the shadow again. So what we're going to do is just to use the off minus 35 that way. We are not going to enable the shadow again. So we'll use color white. See white? Do you see? Now we'll blur it. Blur radius. See blur radius. Let me be descriptive as I'm saying this. See blur radius. See, I've seen. Have you seen? It's blurry. So let's make our blur radius 35. It's okay. Now we have friendship. Friendship. Do you see it? See what the thing has turned out to be. Now there are some designs we're going to make inside this friendship, and we can do that through the inner shadow. See where the inner shadow is. So we're going to tap on the inner shadow, enable it, and go to color. We are not interested. Okay, let's make the blur radius 5. 5 is okay. 5 is okay. Then we'll now go and look for color, light purple, and there we go. You see the effect it gave the friendship. So now this is beautiful. Now we're going to copy the friendship and rotate it this way. I see what I'm doing. Rotating it, you have to press this angle and push it to the side of the design, and there we go. There we go. There we go. Almost there. There we go. We're going to copy again and do the same thing by the side. Remember, I told you this is to move it. We touch that place to move. Then we'll move it and push it there. There. Do you see? Do you see? See how it's moving? I believe this is okay. This is okay, right? I'm asking you guys. This is okay, right? That's good. We're trying to make everything looks beautiful. Sorry. So now, what's the next thing we're going to do? Is to go to text again and type bliss. We're trying to make a friendship flyer. Bliss. Do you see? Now we're not going to capitalize it. I love it this way. It doesn't need to be capitalized. You just have to press bliss. So we're gonna move it. Now, for you to move things easier than dragging it that way, so it's not spoiling the design, you tap on this. I love being descriptive. Sorry. You tap on it's, we're gonna tap on this position, not really T position, that position. Then we increase it and we start to move it. You see how we're moving it? We are moving it, we're moving it, we're moving it, we're moving it. That's good. So we increase it. Remember how to increase? We use this and increase it. We increase and increase. Then we now go to use fonts. And before we continue, most importantly, the most important thing of this is to lock your designs. Lock it so that they won't disturb or move. Lock the friendship. And we have locked them. So let's continue with the videos. We go to font. Just gonna use a very beautiful font for this. I believe this is okay. Yes, Alex Bush regular. That is good. So now I want this design behind this picture. How do I do it? I go to this side. and press this. Now see where the bliss is. The bliss is this place. I hold it and push it, and it's behind it. You see, let's check it now. It's behind it. That is what we wanted to achieve. Then we copy it again. Now what we are going to do now, we are going to go to color, press this plus icon, so this plus icon, and dim it, reduce it to make it disappear, and there it goes, it disappears. The next step, we go to stroke. Let me be descriptive. This is stroke. Tap on it, enable it, and that we gotten what we want. Then I believe we're going to use a color. Let's use color white. Yes, color white. So sorry, let's go to let's use that same process we used. Let's go. I copied the bliss again, so we go to color, plus icon, and erase the bliss. Then okay, let's do it again. We erase the bliss, and okay, we mark good. Then we go to stroke. I'm trying to rephrase something. Stroke, enable it, and press color white, and press good. Then we have this. Are we seeing what we're trying to achieve? We're trying to achieve this position properly. This. Okay. Okay. Now somebody will be asking, I know what next to do. We're going to merge it. No, it's not a must. You must merge it. You can leave it that way for corrections, but if you want to do, you can merge it. I've taught us how to merge, so I'm not going to merge mine. I'll leave it that way. Then we go to lock it. So now the next step, import another design that will be seen in this flyer. Now we all know how to import. This is the import. Now I'm going to import the image. So I've imported, this is the leaf I wanted to import, this leaf. Okay, I didn't lock this. Let me lock it. Okay, I locked it. So now I'm going to change this leaf color to purple. You don't need to paint it or do whatever to it. Now this is what we go. We go to color filter. Say color filter here. Tap on it. Now increase the hue. See where the hue is. See hue. See hue. To 180. Drag it to 180. Saturation. See saturation. We drag it to the same 100%, and parallel we have color purple. Nothing is hard to do in this, you just have to dedicate your time. Now mark it gold and reduce the size. Thank you for sunshine. We reduce the size. We reduce the size being reduced, and we drop it. Yeah, and this is wonderful. Now we are going to get what we call the square shape for where we're going to add our quotes. See where the shape is. This is shape. We tap on it. Now we are going to reduce the square shape to 20%. I don't want it as square like this. So what do? I tap on this reduce and increase it to 20. Do you see the shape is depreciating? Now it's in 20. I reduce it. Have you seen? I'm reducing it. I'm reducing it. I'm reducing it. I'm reducing it. Are you seeing? Are you seeing this? Is this not wonderful? So I'm gonna drop it here. I'm back good. And it's okay. It's okay. So now what next to do? We go to inner shadow. I told us what inner shadow does. This is the inner shadow. Sorry, inner shadow is here. This is inner shadow. We enable it and we go to light purple. And you see, then what next to do? We go to get the quote. Where is the quote? People ask. Now look at the pixelab. This is where the quote you can get quotes from. This place the arrows pointing. You can also get the quote from this place. So anyway you want to get it from. So let me get it from here. Now in this quote we have different kind of quotes. We have motivational quotes. At this point you is where you see all the kind of quotes. We have motivational quotes, we have success quotes, we have friendship quotes, we have happiness quotes, we have inspirational quotes, we have positive quotes, we have absorb quotes. Now I want friendship quotes. Now there's a friendship. There are different kind of quotes. Different kinds of quotes you can use. Different kinds of quotes you can use. So use just for it. So I'm looking for the quotes I want to use. Now many designs have different types of quotes. Those that use pixelab, this is where they get their quotes from. I found it. Friendship improves happiness, abates miseries by the doubling of our joy and dividing our grief. So this is the quote I want to use. This one. So I'm going to tap on it, and it brings me here. Now look at everybody. I want to shows this now. See, I've reducing it with this. If you want to reduce it, you press this angle. So now I'm reducing it. I drop it on this. Are you saying it's no? Why? Because the wordings are white. Now if I want us to make it visible, I'm going to use a color and use light purple and tap. And do you see the difference? We have it now. If you want to make your design aligning, you use the aligning feature on pixelab, which is this the arrows pointing out. Tap on it. The middle is for you to put it at the center. You have by center and also by center. So I want the center one. Okay, it's already there. So I'm reducing it and I'm dropping it. Are we seeing? Very good. I've dropped it. Friendship improves happiness and abates misery by doubling of our joy. And there we go. We have this beautiful flyer. So now something is missing. Every graphic designer must have his name he's known for. Now my own name is Divine Graphics. Let me impute it. Divine Graphics. Divine Graphics. And there we go. Okay. So I'm going to use a font I like using for my Divine Graphics logo name. So the font is a regular bush. I love this font so much. I don't know why, but I'm bolding it. And it's done. So let's position it. And here we go. We have our design. Purely made design. Now this is how to make a simple flyer with pixel app. The next lesson I shall be doing more kinds of flyer, how we can make a business flyer or any kind of flyer shall be demonstrated in our next video. So please like, subscribe and comment in the comment section. God bless. And most importantly, let's lock our designs. Let's lock up. I've locked them all. Nothing is unlocked, so let's check. Nothing is moving. So we go to save. This is where we save from. We save here. as project. Save as project so that you can come back and correct mistakes if you made. Because if you don't save as project, there's no how you know. So I'm saving it as friendship. So whenever I go to my project, I'll see friendship and remember it. So what I saved, then I'll save as, don't mind these ads. These ads give me trouble. So we'll save as image. We save to gallery. And it's been saved. Simple. I will find it in my gallery. So please like, subscribe, share, and also comment. God bless. Divine Graphics. Thanks.